Hey guys, I am here with another house tour for you. I have all my Christmas decorations up, so I figured I'd go through and show you everything, most of which I found from the dumpster. So I'm going to start with outside. So starting here, I have to get these leaves still, but I have these globes lining my walkway. They do light up, they're solar powered. Those are from the dumpster, as well as this little lantern here. Lights up at night, super nice. And on my door I have the big ornament that I found. I haven't fixed it up or anything, but this glue mark doesn't bother me, so I'm fine with that. And walking in, we start over here. You look right to the right. Most of the furniture, nothing really has changed since my last house tour, so I'll touch on that as well. But I have this right here. This came from the dumpster, one of my favorite pieces. A nice little dresser, as well as this lamp from the dumpster. On top here, I just have two little trees and this green tree. This one's from the dumpster. These are from Kirkland's last year when they got to 90% off. Both of these came from the dumpster as well. This lights up, just a little red truck, and this gnome I made last year. Super cute. I made a whole bunch of those and gave them away, but I think it's adorable. So that's this little corner. These bows I got 90% off at Target last year. I have a few of them throughout my house. And these giant candlesticks I love. I actually got at a garage sale for $4, and they really mimic this look right here. So that's this corner. Moving along, I have my nice couch from the Salvation Army. It was $100, so I think that's a pretty good deal for a sectional. I have my beautiful white woven UGG blanket. I haven't gotten the black out. I haven't really tried much after the initial few days, but honestly, we don't mind. Folded up, you can't even tell, so it's still beautiful, and I love it for the holiday season. And right up here, this is my favorite part of it all, is this gallery wall. I have all of this stuff from the dumpster except for this. So I have this little deer head, Eat, Pray, Love. This is the only thing that really fit there, so that's why it's up there, but I still like it. This little window pane. This is Joy to the World. This is Amazing Grace. And then this little cast iron Love. So if we come over here to this direction, I just love the look of that gallery wall, so I'm super excited about that. Right here I have this clock that I found not too long ago next to this birdhouse I found as well. And then I just have this wreath tied on. Again, everything is from the dumpster, even the ribbon that's used to tie the wreath on, so that looks super cute and Christmassy. And this clock actually works. This piece right here also came from the dumpster. Another fabulous, fabulous find. I love this one. And the things on the inside as well. These antlers came from the dumpster, these two trees, this little ornament, this big ornament, and these two holly berries. Aside from this scarf, all came from the trash. So those were great finds. And then just my TV. Down on the coffee table, just a nice runner, not from the dumpster. I think that's from Target. But I have two more antlers, these two little reindeer that came from the dumpster, this really beautiful red lantern from the trash, and this came from the trash as well. I don't have my things lit up, but this one lights up. Gives a nice ambiance. So there's that. Moving this way, I have my beautiful soldier missing his feet, but he doesn't mind. I don't mind. And behind him, I have these reeds that also light up. So just a whole bunch of those. And this lantern, I have a whole bunch of lanterns, but I chose this one for this decor. And then this beautiful mirror with frame. The frame came from the dumpster. And again, one of these little red bows. I think that's super cute. Turning this way, I just have my scarf draped here. Haven't done anything with that yet. Right here I have this nice table I found a little while ago. And I think it really fits the decor, especially matching that piece right there. On top of that, I have this placemat that I found in the dumpster. This beautiful plaid deer. He was just missing one antler. I put a hat on him, and I think he's cute. So I love that, and he's like a velvet material, super soft. And then this candlestick and the light up candle from the dumpster as well. And then another one of these giant candlesticks with the same bow. Real quick, this rug also came from the dumpster. That's just a normal staple in my house. Super pretty though. And here's my Christmas tree. This one did not come from the dumpster, although you can find Christmas trees in the dumpster fairly easily. But I did buy this one at Value World, so it was a thrift store, so it was super cheap regardless. Behind that I have this lamp. Came from the dumpster. Super nice. And underneath it I have the tree skirt, which I found in the dumpster a little while ago. One of my very early videos. Super nice though, I like that. I have to straighten it out a little bit. Just back here, kind of under the tree, I have my basket filled with the spice drops I found, both of which from the dumpster. I'm going to be giving those away for Christmas, so that's a little bit of a gift under the tree thus far. And on the wall right here is one of my favorite early finds, this giant beautiful clock. Mainly just decor. It does not work right now. I haven't really played with it or anything, but I just love the look of it. Moving this way, I have this little chest from the dumpster, of course. And everything on top, aside from this little charging station, don't mind that, came from the dumpster as well. I have this little moose. I love him. This nice snowflake. This snowman, I haven't even bothered with his hat. It doesn't bother me, so I just keep it like that. This little hurricane thing, I just put this on top because I didn't know where else to put it, but the glass is not broken. And this little greenery ball I found just a little while ago. Over here is the very first furniture piece I found in the dumpster, so that's from the trash. And underneath that I have all of those flocked centerpieces, which I love, super pretty, and these 3 balls that light up as well. Nice for the holidays. I like this underneath portion. Up here I just have the word Noel from the trash, of course, and this golden deer, and this poinsettia and the lamp all came from the trash as well. So let me back up, see if I can get it all in. Yeah, there we go. Super nice. I'll give you a quick glimpse into my bathroom. Nothing too crazy in there. These deer did come from the trash. I guess the tissues and the toothpaste did as well, but I just have those and this Santa Claus in here. Oh, soap is from the trash as well. But I got him from Salvation Army, and I think he's super pretty. Last year I did a whole rose gold theme, my whole house. So that's why I have him, but I'm really loving the classic Christmas theme I'm going for this year. So here's a quick overview of my living room. Super pretty. I love the like the deep tones and the plaids and everything. Finishing up in the kitchen. This is that tree I found. I got it together. It is just missing its top, so I threw a bunch of stuff on there. Not from the dumpster, but the tree itself is. And so is this wooden barrel, which I also love, and it looks really nice with the tree. This clock from the dumpster, of course, next to the tree there. And moving along, in this corner, let's see, this olive oil is from the dumpster, but so is this Baby It's Cold Outside sign and this little snowman that says Let It Snow. So I just have those in the corner right there. And if we go this way, as you can see, my Christmas cactus is in bloom. Super pretty. Perfect time of the year. Let's see. Dumpster, 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 and this dish soap from the dumpster. So all really nice plants. I don't know. I love having them there. And this is the last Christmassy section I have. I just have my fruit bowl, which is from the dumpster, as well as the fruit inside of it, actually. And I have another of these Santa Stop Here signs and 2 nutcrackers. This one I found a long time ago. This one was more recent. His head is broken, but again, it doesn't really bother me. I can just put a pine cone there. I just haven't gotten to it yet. So that's about it for the kitchen. Give you another overview here. Super nice tree right here. And that's it, guys. I have 2 bedrooms. I'm not going to show you those because there's no Christmas in them. But I think that's it. I think that's everything from the dumpster. And thanks for watching. I will be back with a regular haul soon. Merry Christmas!